Hello everyone, welcome back to the Minicade. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Karate Champ microplayer and comparing the audio to the NES version of Karate Champ and seeing the difference, because this version of Karate Champ is the NES port. But before we get into that, some games kind of got moved around. Yeah, this is what we're going with down here. And upstairs we will show in a later video. But yeah, let's grab Karate Champ and let's do a review. Alright, so I got Karate Champ down right here. Before we get into the audio comparison and gameplay of the microplayer, let's take a look at the hardware. So that is the full design of the unit. Pretty cool looking. Four-way joystick. It does unscrew because it is a microplayer by My Arcade. You get a reset and a start button and an A and a B button. These do not have a label. It's just A and a B because these were what the original microplayers had. To power it, you got the coin door right there. On the back, you got a headphone jack and a volume up and down, as well as a speaker, your batteries, and a USB if you want to power it without batteries. So yeah, that is the full hardware tour of the unit. Now let's get into the gameplay part of it, and then we're going to transition into the audio review. So yeah, let's get into that right now. I'm going to turn off my light, and yeah, let's do that. So that's your audio right there. So you can kind of listen to the audio, and that's what it sounds like. Now, I'm going to play the original NES audio in a second. I'm not doing so great. Ouch. We're not doing so good here. Ouch. Well, anyway, that's a double loss there, which is probably game over, right? Yeah. But anyway, you kind of got that audio, right? Now, take a look at the actual audio. So yeah, take a look at this. Alright guys, so there you had it for the My Arcade Karate Champ microplayer and the sound comparison. So yeah, not too crazy different between the two. I think that sounds really cool. Now, overall, this unit is pretty good, not that bad. It is the NES ROM, but hey, that's what we can expect with some of these. But yeah, that was it for today's review, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I am the Minicade, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.